Good morning, everybody. My name is Pamela Pierce, and I'm videoing from Crestview, Florida. I am currently not employed outside of the home, but I do have 5 children, and my husband is affiliated with the military. So we have lots of activities to keep us busy, and I'm, of course, focusing on the program and trying to finish school. So therefore, I'm not employed outside of the home. But my experiences with working with families comes from my field placement that I completed in May. I was working with an agency called Catch that worked with rehousing homeless families. And it was a life-changing experience seeing these families come from traumatic experiences and watching them stabilize and be able to rebuild their lives once they were able to be housed and rebuild from such a basic need. It really was life-changing, and it was amazing to see them really become successful. As far as the structure, when I was a child, I came from a single-family home. My mom was a single parent, and it was my brother, my mother, and I. As of course I said, now in present day, it's my husband, my 5 children, and I, and we have a dog. And so, in that, as a child, during my childhood, I played the role of peacekeeper. And today, I often play peacekeeper with 5 children. I think that's key as when you have many just different personalities in the household. But now also I tend to play leader because when my husband does have to leave, I have to play all different roles: mom, dad, chef, taxi driver. And so that just naturally comes to me. And so I feel that this would certainly impact my future aspirations because naturally we are going to have to play peacekeeper when working with families. They are going to be going through issues. They're going to be working through problems or situations that we are going to have to help them navigate through. Therefore, playing peacekeeper and helping them, guide them in a direction that's positive for all parties, but also being the leader to help calm them and help guide them and navigate is going to be key. So I feel that all of these situations and all these roles that I play currently are going to positively impact me in the future career wherever I end up. So anyway, I do not have any burning questions, but I know that I have a great professor and I have some great classmates that I can reach out to. So I wish everybody the best of luck, and I look forward to working with everybody. Have a great day.